Hi, welcome back to Shotoku Tech. The folks at Banana Pie wanted me to check out this BPi-M6. It seems to have a lot of potential for artificial intelligence, computer vision, machine learning, and I'm going to put it to the test. I'm really going to follow through and see what we can do with this. Yeah, look for the links down below to the docs pages for the BPi-M6. They were kind enough to include this cooling fin accessory. Let's check it out. Yeah, there's some thermal pad there and some screws. Let's check out that cooling fin. Wow, that's sharp. Very cool. Okay, let's get the BPi-M6 out of the box here. Yeah, I tried to tear open the static bag, but it wouldn't tear for me. Let me get a knife here. There we go. Just needed to cut a notch there. Let's get the BPi-M6 out for a closer look. Wow. Get some of that junk out of the way there in the background. Yeah, the first thing you notice here, it's got an M2 key, PCIe, and a MIPI CSI interface, so you could perhaps attach a camera there, I'm thinking. And they also mention here, yeah, it doesn't come with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, but it seems like they have an accessory that might add Wi-Fi using the M2 key. All right, there's the display port, USB-C. Now this is interesting because it has an HDMI out, but it also has an HDMI input. So again, potential for computer vision, 4 USB 3.0 ports and an Ethernet. Let's flip it over here. Okay, TF card slot. 16 gig eMMC. I think that's only useful with Android. 4 gigs of DDR4 and the VS680 quad-core processor. There's also a single core associated with that. 40-pin expansion. There's your power over Ethernet header. The reset button's over by the display port there. Serial debug port. Okay, I'll put the specifications up here. We didn't even talk about the NPU or the GPU for that matter. Look for the links down below. Let's take one more look at the layout here. All right, I'm looking forward to working with this. We're going to put it to the test. Give this video a like, leave a comment down below, and before you go watch more of my single board computer videos, please click on subscribe. Thank you very much.